Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log out of Discord. To get started, open Discord app on your device. Once you open the app, you will see this type of interface on your icon. So, click on the button below and scroll down until you see the option Logout. Once you see the option Logout, click on Logout and you are successfully logged out of Discord. That is how easily you can log out from Discord. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.